Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and today I've got a really beautiful recipe for you. This is a Italian tomato and bread salad. This is an old recipe of my mom's. This goes back to about 2006 from my mom's magazine. And I'm gonna start with some sourdough bread. This is gonna be a two-part recipe, okay? There's a tomato salad with your wet, exactly what you would expect. But first we're gonna make some croutons. I want this bread to become croutons. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. So a few tablespoons of olive oil. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. Maybe about 3 tablespoons. And I'm gonna add my dry ingredients, my garlic, salt. And if I need to go back and add some more olive oil, I can. Paprika. And red pepper. Okay. And we're just gonna toss it to combine. And I've got a baking sheet over here that we're gonna put it on. Bake it in the oven for about 10 or 15 minutes. And make wonderful croutons. You know, homemade croutons really go a long way when you're making a salad at your house. It's not difficult to make homemade croutons. And it really adds a lot to any salad. So it's worth the trouble. So next time you're making a nice, big, beautiful salad for your family or for some guests, give it a shot. Make some homemade croutons, and I think you'll really like it. Your guests will appreciate it. So it looks like I've hit the nail on the head with the olive oil. That's just about the right amount. But I keep losing bread. Okay, so we'll put them on a baking sheet and just kind of spread them out evenly. Like so. And I love sourdough. I think that might be my favorite bread, and I love bread. But sourdough is great. And probably better for you. I believe it's better for you. It's got less sugar than most breads do. So if there's such a thing as a healthy bread, that might be going a little too far, but not as bad. Okay, beautiful. So they're arranged on the sheet. Now we'll pop this up in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and put together the rest of the salad. I gotta wash up. The croutons came out beautifully. They look great. So I'll say it one more time. Whenever you make a salad at home for your friends or family, do homemade croutons. It's worth the effort. So as a base, we're gonna make our own little dressing here. We're gonna use 5 tablespoons of balsamic dressing. And this, I'll show you while we're on it. This is a tomato basil flavored olive oil. My mom works with this company. And these products are really, really good. And boy, is that a thick balsamic vinegar too. Looks like a glaze. So 3, so this would be tasty, by itself. 4 and 5 tables of that wonderful product. And 5 equal parts olive oil. Beautiful. Okay. A little pepper. Garlic salt. I love this old bowl. This is, I don't even know how old this is. It could have come from Pharaoh's tomb. It's been around forever. And it's big enough to handle whatever you're making. Wonderful. Now to that, we'll add our beautiful tomatoes. Look how beautiful and just red those things are. Tomatoes. Red pepper. Beautiful yellow pepper. Fresh basil leaves.
Now we'll toss this.
Hey, y'all. Now we'll toss this in our dressing. Oh, it's already got such a just divine smell to it. Love basil. It's so distinct, and it's just got a wonderful punch to it. Look how nice this looks already. That's the right amount of dressing. Coating everything. I'm going to add just a pinch of salt and pepper. One more coat. And to that, we'll add our croutons. So the croutons were 10 minutes flip and for about another 10 minutes in the oven. And they came out really crispy, crunchy. I saw Teresa noshing on some over there just a few minutes ago, and she said they were good. And that dressing in there will soften them up just a bit so you can hear the crunch. So if you like basil and tomato homemade croutons with a homemade salad dressing base, you will love this. That is going to be really, really good. So for your next salad, you might think about making your own homemade croutons.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.